moving stuff for Operation Cock Pistol. OMG. Oh my God. Operation Mountain Guard. Moving these trains up and down the track all day, every day. Preparation. What are they moving? Where's it all going? It's constant. We can't get out of our city because we're surrounded by this. Long, never-ending train. This goes on and on and on, all day and all night. Somebody's getting ready for something.
Hey, it's the end. There you go, baby. I gotta go. Hey, get the rabbit.